Welcome to the future of manufacturing, where automation and a dedicated workforce maintain exceptional production standards. Our advanced production equipment implements precision engineering protocols, maintaining strict compliance throughout the manufacturing sequence. From calibration to packaging, we utilize advanced precision engineering. Stringent quality standards. Data analysis confirms Level 3 compliance.
Reliability confirmed. Proceed with the next unit.
From advanced materials processing and precision engineering to advanced quality assurance, we ensure reliable product performance globally.
The automated system maintained precision engineering protocols throughout the cycle.
The inspection data confirms 0 defects on the critical dimensions.
In our clean room environments, we utilize advanced production equipment for fabrication and packaging preparation, ensuring reliable product performance globally. Implementing precision engineering protocols and utilizing advanced production equipment ensures strict compliance and reliable product performance. Implementing precision engineering protocols ensures superior manufacturing standards, guaranteeing reliable product performance across global operations.
Adjusting the feed rate based on the latest QA metrics.
Precision is stable. We are maintaining reliable product performance.
Performance data from the Malaysia plant is showing 99% reliability.
That confirms the engineering protocols are effective globally.
advanced materials processing and precision
manufacturing sequence showing precision engineering equipment, assembling material preparation and pre-processing, utilizing advanced production equipment. Advanced manufacturing protocols drive our component fabrication, implementing precision engineering and comprehensive validation procedures for global operations. With advanced production equipment and precision engineering, we ensure meticulous attention to detail and reliable performance across our global operations. Advanced materials processing utilizes precision engineering protocols. We maintain precise manufacturing tolerances.
Implementing precision engineering protocols, our advanced production equipment performs critical soldering and joining operations, monitored in real time to ensure quality assurance.
Utilizing advanced production equipment, we implement precision engineering protocols, maintaining precise manufacturing tolerances for reliable product performance. sequence shows automated handling systems executing precision calibration and adjustment protocols, ensuring reliable product performance.
Vidrovix. Our sophisticated automated systems utilize advanced production equipment, implementing precision engineering.
Look at the yield metrics from the Malaysian facility.
Rerouting the supply chain to optimize efficiency, we are maintaining exceptional precision.
Implementing precision engineering protocols, our advanced equipment ensures stringent quality standards are met during every soldering and joining operation. From precision measurement tools to advanced robotic assembly and rigorous validation, we ensure reliable product performance across our global operations.
Advanced production equipment allows us to optimize logistics and distribution, ensuring reliable product performance across global operations.
Utilizing advanced automation for precision performing, we ensure reliable product performance across global operations.
Utilizing advanced production equipment, our clean room environments follow strict precision engineering protocols for packaging.
Implementing precision engineering protocols and maintaining stringent quality standards ensures reliable product performance throughout our global operations. Tracking system confirms all EU deliveries are on schedule.
Acknowledged. Releasing the next wave of inventory for the North American sector.
The stress test results on the new alloy are exceeding expectations.
That confirms the performance validation we need. Our workforce training centers emphasize comprehensive technical education, safety protocols, and the highest quality standards.
Quality control is holding strong at 95.6%.
The automated testing confirms the success rate. We've optimized the line. Fully integrated and sustainably powered, this advanced manufacturing ecosystem is transforming global infrastructure.